Welcome yet again to another edition of Video Learning Uganda revision series, and remember, we have for all subjects, but today we are into Senior 4 Biology and want to look at respiration, in particular gaseous exchange. Part A, describe the mechanism of gaseous exchange in man for 12 marks. Remember, today we are proudly supported by Reham Fun Time. Fun all the time, remember. Part B, how are the structures of gaseous exchange in man adapted for their function? Now, when we are looking at mechanism of gaseous exchange in man, we shall talk about inhalation and exhalation. Now, during inhalation, what happens? The external intercostal muscles contract and the internal intercostal muscles relax. The rib cage is moved upwards and outwards. The diaphragm muscles contract and the diaphragm flattens. In this case, the thoracic volume increases and the pressure decreases, so air rushes into the lungs from the atmosphere through the trachea. When you breathe in, you have to breathe out. So during exhalation now, the external intercostal muscles relax and the internal intercostal muscles contract. The rib cage moves downwards and inwards. The diaphragm muscles relax and the diaphragm becomes dome-shaped. In this case, the thoracic volume reduces and the pressure increases, so forcing the air out of the lungs to the atmosphere through the trachea and then the nostrils. That is the mechanism of gaseous exchange in man. Now, the adaptations of the air sacs, the alveoli. The alveoli are so many, they are numerous. This increases the surface area for gaseous exchange. Remember, for this part, you can present your work in a table form. The alveoli are covered by a thin epithelium. This one aids diffusion of the gases. The alveoli are moist. Diffusion in moist conditions is very easy. They have a rich supply of blood capillaries. This is to carry away the absorbed gases. That is how our question would move. We present our solution logically like that. Now, besides that, on the screen right now, we are seeing other important information, illustration that can be useful for you to understand the topic better. You're advised to pause and take a keen look at it. We're also aiding you with that diagram showing the occasions that take place during inspiration, which is inhalation, and expiration, which is exhalation in man, remember. So all that can allow you understand this question we've been handling very well. For our question 8, still brought to you by Reham Fun Time, is question 8, and this time we're moving on to cell division. And we shall look at mitosis and meiosis. And we shall also look at their differences and understand them very well. Proudly brought to you by Reham Fun Time. Thank you for viewing, and for more videos, please call that number or visit our YouTube channel at V Learning Uganda, and you will have fun as you enjoy the learning.